All right, the third engine teardown is complete. I think it's safe to say it was a nearly complete disaster. Mostly my fault. I can understand insects digging stuff out, but what kind of insect would fill a hole with sand? Broke off inside the engine case. The distributor was seized in there. The crankshaft bearings were seized on the crankshaft. The connecting rods were seized to the crank. The wrist pins on the connecting rods, 2 of them were completely seized. The rings were seized to the cylinder. Yeah, it was just brutal.